Hi, my name is Brody. I work up at the Volkswagen of Olympia store here in Olympia, Washington. And today I'm going to be showing you a couple of really cool features on the brand new 2022 Volkswagen Taos. Starting with convenience opening and closing of the windows. Walking up to your car on a hot day, want to let that heat out. You unlock your car once with the unlock button on the bottom of the key fob, and then hold it for a second time for a few seconds, and the windows of the car are going to roll down for you. So you got out of your Taos, but you forgot to roll the windows up or close your sunroof. As long as the keys are in your pocket or on your person, you press this button once to lock the car, press it a second time and hold it down. Your sunroof and all of your windows are going to close for you. Thank you for watching. My name has been Brody at Volkswagen of Olympia. If you'd like to see more, make sure to like and subscribe.